Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't think I can hold back anymore. Your outfit tonight, it forces me to voice, I think it's really offensive. This is a leopard. You're trying, look at this. I don't even get.
This isn't real leopard skin.
Oh.
It's nylon.
Does that change the fact that it looks like dead skin plastered to your body?
But it's not.
But still, that doesn't take anything away from it, okay? You are still promoting, displaying that you love dead animals on your body.
No, I don't.
You know, that doesn't... What do you mean you don't? Look at yourself.
I'm not wearing fur. I never wear fur. Have you ever seen anyone actually wearing dead leopard? No.
I'm looking at it.
It's just
right
a
now.
cool pattern.
I don't know that this is not
pattern.
real. You're still displaying that you like
Really?
the slaughter.
You don't know that this is
You
not
like
real?
the slaughter,
Are you
don't you?
high?
Am I high? I am high.
Yeah, I think you know what?
Oh, whoa! What was that? What was that? Are you trying to attack me because I'm speaking the truth?
I didn't attack you.
You just hit me with your purse.
I did not hit you
This
with
does
my
not need
purse.
to get to that level, okay?
What level?
I understand you're trying to cover up the fact that you have a bad fake boob job and that you think the leopard makes it better.
Whoa! Excuse me. Excuse me. What did I do to you?
Point your purse at me. You're clutch.
You know what?
You're gonna score. Take it off. Take it off.